Today I'm going to be doing a review on the digital storytelling tool, Storybird. Here I will be focusing on the uses in the classroom, specifically for teachers. Storybird is a 2.0 tool that individuals can use to make stories and poems with the use of visual prompts. Storybird is one of the world's largest digital storytelling communities. As I previously mentioned in my first tutorial, Storybird is easily accessible using your Google sign-in or by creating an account with an email address or username. Upon logging in, you have several tabs to work with. The first tab is labeled You or Your Stuff, which includes your dashboard, which has your poems, and which is your books and poems that you've written, your badges and crowns, and your favorites. Under this tab, you will also find challenges, ideas for stories, and some great lesson plans and writing tips for students of all ages. Under the Classes tab, teachers have the ability to review each class individually. Teachers also have the opportunity to search the class by a number of filters. They can search by book title, student name, or username. Teachers can also filter assignments based on the type or status of an assignment. Here under the Review tab, teachers have the ability to monitor the comment section and notification preferences. The next tab is called Students. This is where, as a teacher, you have the ability to invite students to create within your site. You can also invite parents to view the content from this class by adding their email addresses here. Because this classroom is not made available to the public, parents will need this link or password to view their child's work. By selecting the Student tab, you can add students to the class with a class account code or move students from class to class. You can also create invitations for the students to encourage their parents to log into the website to review their creations. Under the Library tab, you will also find all the completed works from your classroom. Here under the Assignment tab, this allows teachers to create a section for each task they assign. Teachers have the ability to set due dates, to select a format, limit the artwork, and to even upload artwork of their choosing. There's also a section available to include assignment details. Students can view the assignment details all in one place. The Fundraising tab is an opportunity to raise money for the school with the students' talents. The Download tab contains all of the artwork or assignments that you have downloaded. Currently, I do not have anything under my downloads, but the site does offer some downloads available for purchase. The Setting tab brings up a variety of settings that show your account details. It allows you to change your class name, grade, avatar, This is where you can change your notifications and comment preferences as well. Before I get into the creating stories, I'm going to skip over to some of the other features of Storybird. Under the Read tab, you can read stories and poetry created by other users. This section allows you to explore what other users are creating with Storybird. You can browse by category and format, age groups, or specific topics. It's easy to read a story with a few simple clicks. The blog section introduces a community of bloggers, some of who are teachers just like yourself. You can search this section by theme and have access to that community. The Creating section of Storybird provides students and educators alike a variety with various styles of artwork. Students can pick artwork based on preference or search artwork based on a particular theme. Once students found something appealing, they can click on an image, view the comments and the details about that image, view all of the images in that collection, and then choose this art. If they are choosing artwork for a story, I would recommend that they choose artwork with a number of images to choose from. If there are only 5 to 8 images, the student may be limited with their selections. If the student selects poem, they are provided with a series of words with which to create a poem, phrase, or sentence. They have the choice of using the words that they are given, or they can refresh the words and pick new ones. The teacher also has the option of selecting the words for the students to use. There. I'm going to publish this one. Save it. We're going to publish it privately to our classroom. If a student elects to create picture books, they are given the option to be more creative by creating a narrative for the images. I'm going to go back to a book I already started, the draft, and show you a book that we've already started here. And here are some images. Students are able to add and delete pages. In addition, they can change images as well as write text for their story. Their stories can be as long or short as they want them to be. Another nice feature is that students have the option to collaborate on their projects, whether it be with other students or with their teacher. Students have the option of either saving their progress to work on it later or to publish it. They can choose to which assignments the finished work is for. From there, they have the option of publishing their books in either hardcover, softcover, or as a digital download. They can also send their books and poems to friends and family members via email or through social media such as Facebook and Twitter. So this one I'm going to save today. We're going to publish it. And here we have the opportunity to send it to somebody. So I'm going to send it to my Gmail account, and I'm going to send it to myself, and it's sent to me. And I'm done. Oh, see, I got an email notification that it was sent. This makes it easy for parents to own a part of their child's writing or for teachers to purchase a book for the classroom. Storybird is very private and secure for students and teachers to use easily and with peace of mind. Storybird offers hundreds of links and writing prompts so that any user can find something that interests them so that they can lose themselves in their own creativity.